Hi all. Today we will go about the announcement of Stability.ai about the recent foundational model which is more about text to image generation model called SDXL 1.0 as of 26 July. This blog itself has a lot of document around the features and what are the different capabilities. And as per them, they're the best image model from Stability AI in terms of the different performance limits which they have mentioned here. And one of the very remarkable features is the high quality images which are generated even without mentioning the very specific details about the high quality artistic and using other such adjectives and words. And the simplistic thing is about is more intelligent with simpler language. So what I wanted to, and these are some of the images you can see how it's really fascinating to see these images in terms of how, you know, artistic they could be. Now, what I'm trying to do is they have also mentioned in the blog here that and there's also available with AWS Bedrock and AWS SageMaker, but AWS Bedrock is currently in preview and is only available to a few customers who have availed of it. So we are going to explore the AWS SageMaker, where it is present as part of the mm, Jumpstart utilities. So I've created a Amazon SageMaker Studio domain here, and I'm trying to here. If you see SageMaker Jumpstart, and I'll click on the models, and on the very left, I see. Then it takes me to the SageMaker Jumpstart page, where in this part of text to image, I can see the SDXL 1.0 where I click on the view notebook and it takes me to the stable diffusion notebook which has been shared. What it does is it does two parts here. One is an text to image entrance, and the second part is image to image where you can customize upon an image which you are sharing with a few words on top of the image. So we'll experiment these two approaches today. And in order to try that, you can click on the import notebook, which takes you to another page. In order, before you start this, you'll need to accept the marketplace agreement for using Stability.ai's generational model called Stable Diffusion XL. And once you accept it and go through the agreement document, it enables you to use it. So I've already run through this, and for the inference part, it uses um, the G5.2x large, which is one GPU with a memory of 24 GB and uh, memory of 32 GBs with a storage size of 450 GB for its usage. Now, if you see through these particular parts here, it's trying to install the Stability SDK for SageMaker and a few other libraries which are important for the runnings. Now this is where it's trying to use the ml.g5.2x large instance type for entrance, as we just discussed a few moments before. And then it's trying to use the stability predictor. The very first entrance which you'll be doing is a text to image. And when you say it's saying that text is Jagger in the Amazon rainforest, and when it's trying to basically decode the output and show it to us in terms of what is the inferred image, and there's so if you see about it, it's so clear here with the exact mm, textual output which was mentioned. And there's another example where it says a photograph, a latte ad of a cat. It seems so beautiful here. The other one are just a very simple, example of a word, and with a simple word also, if you see it gives you such a beautiful art here. And here is another example where it says the word go red and neon lights. This is another example where we are converting one image which we're providing it, and on top of it we're providing some hints to it in some of a sentence, and it's generating another image, a customized image of the very first image we had shared with it. So this is the image we are sharing with it and uploading it. And on top of it we are saying that we want to add an embroidery, and if you see it has used a very similar approach of the image, but it's more kind of an embroidered image here. And finally we are deleting the endpoint. So it's just I wanted to show you the quality of the SDXL foundational library, and also in terms of how easy it is to use it in a Jumpstart SageMaker and explore it out. So I definitely recommend you guys give it a try and enjoy the foundational library. Thank you.